evacuated. Pittsburgh's Action News 4 reporter Andrew Del Greco in those two communities just sinking in the problems.
Yeah, Winnie, of course, in Houston, energy plant was shut down, so we couldn't get through the main road, but we went around to nearby hillside, got that vantage point of the plant after it was struck by lightning around 6 o'clock tonight. After the strike, plant managers evacuated their employees and called upon first responders to evacuate about 50 homes or so in that area of Western Avenue. The heavy rain kept coming down, and even evacuating for some people was difficult as there were downed trees blocking some of the back roads in the area there. But the MarkWest spokesman says that nobody has been injured, and the county commissioner, Larry Maggi, says that local hazmat crews say there is no gas leak, and residents tonight have been cleared to come back home for the night. Now in Sudlersville, Westmoreland County, of course, all that rain we were talking about, that turned into floodwaters, overwhelming the streets there and many homes. I just talked to Dan Stevens with the county. He says that about 20 or 30 homes affected. Some of those people are going to obviously have to find somewhere else to go tonight. But the Red Cross has been in Sudlersville helping people if they need it. Also some businesses affected. But again, from both of these incidents tonight in Washington County and Westmoreland County, no reported injuries, fortunately. For Live, Andrew Del Greco, Pittsburgh Action News 4.